Hello student, today I am going to teach you how to set your computer for the person who could not able to see, hear or any physical disability to work properly on the computer. So this is working with accessibility option in computer. There are four types of people who cannot see, cannot hear or any physical impairment like shaking hand, cannot read uh, due to voice problem, and so there are four type of impairment: visual, hearing, physical or motor impairment, and learning disability. Launch accessibility option. Accessibility option को सेट करने के लिए you have to go to the control panel or through control panel. For that you have to press start, all program, accessory, system tool, control panel, ease of access center. Second is from the start menu you can go to the ease of access center. Third is from login screen, click on ease of access, and fourth is from keyboard. So I am using fourth one. Press the logo key and then you will get the ease of access center. Here you have to set four types of things: start magnifier, start narrator, start on screen pro keyboard, and set up high contrast. Start magnifier. For that, minimize it. Quick access to command tool, magnifier. There are four options for that, three options for that: zoom out and zoom in. View menu, full screen menu, lens view, and dot view. Full screen menu means you can magnify the screen by using key plus or minus, or lens view magnify rectangular portion of the text and or picture, and dog view is the magnified only portion of the screen, which portion you want to magnify. The option button appears dialog box where you can set option. Now do it practically by pressing Ctrl and U key. Uh, pressing Ctrl and pressing logo and U key, then you will get this place. Here you click on start magnifier. Look at here, it is giving minus or plus. When you plus, then it increase the size of the text. When you minus, then it will decrease the size of the text. So the person who cannot see the small fonts can use this for the magnifying the things, and minus when you want to reduce the thing. In view is full screen view, lens view, and dog view. Full screen view, when you press, then it is a full screen view, and when you press lens view, that means you are seeing in rectangular area. Then again start magnifier. Again you want to view dog view. Dog view is for a specific area. Okay. Then here is a setting. Follow the mouse pointer, follow the keyboard focus, and tab magnifier follow the text insertion point. So the mouse will tell the position and you have to do according to it. Now close it. So you come to know how to do the work in magnifier. Next is narrator. Echo user keystroke. When you press the keys, then it will echo the key. Announce system message, announce scroll notification, start narrator, minimize. Again go there by pressing logo and U and find out the narrator. Here you start the narrator.
Control panel backslash ease of
Look at
access
that.
backslash of access
It
center
will
window. Start narrator button. Alt plus N. Narrator reads aloud text on the screen.
It will tell each and everything to you. So narrator is for those persons.
Tooltip. Set up high contrast.
It is
Uncheck
for
always scan the section checkbox. Alt plus O. Tooltip. Start narrator. Checked.
for that you have to check the scan box. Please tell you.
Uncheck always scan the section checkbox. Checked. Tooltip. Start magnifier button. Alt plus G. Magnifier
It will tell each and everything what you are
narrator
doing by using the mouse.
Tooltip.
And
Start uncheck always scan the section checkbox. Alt plus O.
when you use a computer without
Tooltip. Start narrator button. Alt plus N. Tooltip. Set up high contrast. Narrator reads aloud text on the screen.
clear.
Check always scan the section checkbox. Alt start magnifier button. Alt plus G. Magnifier enlarges. Check always scan the section checkbox. Alt
It will tell you a short key also, and you can do according to it. Then start on screen keyboard.
Tooltip. Key not search window. Search box. Editing. Control panel backslash ease of access center window. Start on screen keyboard button. Alt plus K. Tooltip.
Alt plus K.
Key not part of file. Expanded. Menu item. Menu key Alt plus F. Tooltip. Key not search window. Search box. Editing. Tooltip. Start on screen key. Command unavailable in normal mode. Give us your feedback window. Selected.
Okay. Then set up high control.
Control panel backslash ease of access center window. No item in view.
Always use the to turn off the high contrast to see the things clearly on your screen. Now cancel it. Don't set all those things, otherwise it will create a problem for you. But how to set and where you will get, I am telling you.
Tooltip.
Now explore all setting. When you select the setting, they will automatically start each time you sign in. Use computer without a display.
Control panel backslash ease of access center window. Start narrator button. Alt plus N. Narrator reads aloud text on the screen.
Here see, it is telling how to see the easier way. Image and text on TV, lighting condition make it difficult to see image on my monitor. I am blind, I have another type of vision impairment. He is telling everything, and according to that you have to set the
Start magnifier.
information.
Tooltip. Start on screen keyboard.
Go back.
Control search window. Search box. Editing.
On screen.
Command unavailable in normal mode.
Okay. Use the computer without a display.
Command not available.
Use the computer without display. Turn on narrator, turn on audio description, and turn off all necessary animation. So the person can access the, because he cannot see, so he won't require to turn on the animator. he always able to see to hear only the audio and narration. So set here this and make the computer
Control panel home. Tooltip. Control panel home. Tooltip. Control panel backslash ease of access center window. Control panel
come here
home.
ease
Link.
of access.
Control panel backslash ease of access window. Ease of access center. Link. Tooltip. Ease of access center. Make your computer easier to use. Tooltip. Start narrator button. Alt plus N. Tooltip. Start narrator. Narrator reads aloud text on the screen. Tooltip. Set up high contrast. Tooltip. Set up high contrast. Tooltip. Narrator reads aloud text on the screen. Tooltip. Control panel home. Tooltip.
Now next is use a computer without a mouse or keyboard. A person has a not capability to use the hand, then without mouse and keyboard we can do the work by using on-screen keyboard and audio section. He speak for using use speech recognition when he
Uncheck
speaks.
on-screen keyboard checkbox. Alt
When
plus
he-
plus K.
when you
Use
speak, then it will
link. Alt plus U.
it will start the speech recognition and set up the microphone, take speech tutorial, train your computer better understanding,
speech recognition window.
open the speech reference card.
Tooltip. Control panel home. Tooltip. Control panel window. Search box. Editing. Control panel backslash ease of access window. Ease of access center. Link. Ease of access center.
Here the
Make
speech
your
recognition
computer easier to use.
you can set up the microphone also.
Tooltip. Hardware and sound. Link. Hardware and sound disabled. Control panel window. Search box. Editing. Tooltip. Let Windows suggest settings. Link. Command not available. And control panel window. Search box. Editing. Tooltip. Icon. Tooltip. Back to control panel window. Ease of access. Link. Command not available. Control panel backslash ease of access window. Replace sounds with visual.
Turn on the visual notification for sound, so person who cannot hear the thing can see the captions on the monitor and he come to know what the tutorial is telling. And
Tooltip. Forward to use text or visual alternatives for sounds. Alt plus right arrow. Tooltip. Control panel home. Tooltip. Speech recognition. Speed increased to 55%. Tooltip. Speech recognition. Control panel backslash ease of access window. No item in view. Tooltip. Control panel backslash ease of access window. No item in view. Command not available. Tooltip. Speech recognition. Control panel backslash ease of access window. Change how your keyboard works. Link.
here you can set the keyboard by turning on the mouse key or a sticky key. A sticky key is the key in which the three keys are set together, and once you press one key then it will all work. And turn on toggle key. These are the caps lock, num lock and scroll lock. And then turn the filter key. When there is a repetition while typing one character on the keyboard, then you can set the filter key, so it will display only one character when you press it and not repeat the character. But sometimes you need to write two same characters. In that case the bounce key is set under keyboard shortcut and SS key. Underline the keyboard shortcut and SS key. When you press this, then it will show the shortcut with underline. Prevent window from being automatically arranged. Then move to the edge of the screen. prevent window from the being actually arranged and moved to the edge of the screen. I'm not setting anything over here because it can create a problem for you. Here you can set keyboard setting.
Control panel backslash ease of access backslash ease of
Click
access
here,
enter
hold
backslash
down the
make
key to
keyboard
test
easier to
the
use window
repeat
keyboard
test.
settings
Yeah.
link Alt plus B.
You are not set the sticky or filter key, that's why it's not giving
Unable to
the
move narrator cursor.
information. Learn about additional assistant technology online. When you are online, then you will get the assistant from online. Suppose you write something accessibility learning webinar series already coming here, but I don't need it, so I close it.
Speed dial, opera, pane, speed dial. Speed dial, access control and authorization overview Microsoft Doc, access, not unexplorable text.
Okay.
Tooltip, control panel backslash ease of access center backslash make the keyboard easier to use window, learn about additional assistive
So here
technologies
you can set all
online,
these
link,
things.
value http://go.microsoft.com, control panel end of control panel window, search box, editing. Tooltip, network, and internet. Tooltip, hardware, and sound. Let Windows suggest settings, link. Command not available.
Okay, not
End of
available, then how
line.
can I
Control
do it?
panel window. Search box, editing.
Come back.
Tooltip, icon. Working with accessibility options. Docs. Microsoft Word window. Microsoft Word document. Pane.
Here on screen board, narrator is already narrating you. The echo user keystroke, announce system message, announce the scroll notification. Suppose you scroll it, then it will do. Narrator minimize.
Control panel window. Search box, editing. Control panel backslash ease of access center backslash use the computer without a mouse or keyboard window. Use speech recognition. Link. Alt plus screen rec window. Working with accessibility options. Docs. Microsoft Word window. Microsoft Word document. Pane.
On screen keyboard, when you use, then you have to click only on the words, on the characters.
Search window. Search box, editing.
On screen.
Command unavailable in normal mode. Give us your feedback window. Selected. I got lost. Radio button.
Okay. Go to the setting.
Selected. Settings. 3 of 4. Search. 1 of 4. Selected. Settings. 3 of 4. Search box. Editing. Settings button. Settings. Selected. Speech. Inking. And typing. 5 of 13.
So I need not to speak too much because already narrator is telling to all these things. And go to back.
System. 1 of 9.
Page security privacy is to
Selected. Narrator.
Here
1 of 7.
off the narrator.
Exiting narrator.
And then close it and then press on screen keyboard. which I want to show you. Turn on, then it will come, and when you press anything, that thing will come. Clear? So here you can use the on screen keyboard. On keyboard I off the sticky key on. Press one key at a time for keyboard. Toggle key is the num lock and scroll lock key. Filter key is repetitive key, is adjust and type only one. Other setting, enable shortcut underline, on off, and then you will get shortcut and underline. Display a warning message when turning setting with a shortcut on. Make a sound when turning a setting on off with shortcut. Here you can set keyboard. Then mouse. On mouse you can set the pointers, and you use numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is the pad where on the right hand side of your keyboard where 1 to 9 characters are there. Numeric alphabets, numeric numbers are there. And other option, play animation in window, show window background, show notification for 5 seconds. Here you can increase and decrease your cursor width, blinking cursor width, flash active title bar. You can set a flash active window, flash entire display, flash active title bar. So this way, in ease of access, you can set the narrator, you can set the magnifier, you can set the high contrast, you can closed caption. Closed caption means ki you can set the color of the caption. Here it is set white. When you say black, then it will go convert into black. Now again change it, make it default, and then caption transparency. uh, when you say opaque, then it will come same. When you say translucent, then it will come little dim, then semi-transparent, little dim, more, then transparent, that it will disappear. So when you caption require the things to transparent, make it transparent from here. And caption style you can set. There are several types of font which you can use for your style. I am using default. Then caption size, you can increase 100%, you can increase 150%. This way the caption will increase. I am using default. Then caption effect, depressed, uniform, change it here and see what will happen. Drop shadow, different way you can set. Keyboard already I told you what it is. Sticky key, when the three keys are set together for the shortcut key for the keyboard, and once a time you have to press only one key. Then toggle key is the caps lock, num lock and scroll lock. There are three toggle keys: caps lock, num locks and scroll lock, which you use frequently when you're doing work on the any software. And then filter key is the key which protect the repetitive keystroke and adjust keyboard repeat rates. As you set, it will work. Sometimes when you set the filter key, then the two characters, suppose on a screen there are two E, will not come, and for that you have to set the bounce key. Other setting, enable shortcut underline, display warning message, and make a sound when turning a setting on or off. Then mouse, if you set it, then it will warn you. Then mouse I have already told. Then other options, play animation and window background, cursor or title bar. So these are the ease of access in your computer which you should know how to set it and how to work in it. So kindly read it carefully. This is your web application first session, and it generally asks the question on keys, and I have mentioned all this, how to set all this thing. I have given the shortcut and the menu step by step, so you can get each and everything in it. And sound entry is the person for the person who cannot hear the thing very well. Then when you use it, then it will convert into text or caption, so the person could able to see it. Now one by one I am showing whole text to you, so you can make the notes for it. And with a great effort I have typed all these things for you only. And please write all these things and learn by heart for exam. This is a magnifier, and then the narrator on screen for keyboard I have already show you by practically, so I need not to think that you won't be able to understand it. And use click sound. These are the steps how to set the high contrast. Then when four things you come to know, then you have to explore the setting of all. So I have shown you all these practically on screen. How can set the color, how can set the transparency, fine tune display, rectangular thicker, set thickness of blink cursor, remove background image. All these things told you. I told you in this lecture. And use a computer without mouse and keyboard. Use the computer without mouse and keyboard. How you can use? By using on-screen keyboard और speech recognition. जो भी कुछ आप बोलोगे वो उसको पहचान लेगा. Make the mouse easier to use for activating different kinds of keys. Window key, window hovering key. Hovering key means when you go on a particular portion, it will highlight that portion. Prevent without from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. Some features are not in my computer, so I can't show you, like hovering and all. And make a keyboard easier to use. Turn on mouse key, sticky key, toggle key, filter key, bounce key, repeat key and slow key. All these keys are very important. Sometimes examiner asks in exam of board, use text or visual alternative for sound. Sound entry, turn on text caption for spoken dialogue. Then make it easier to focus on task. All these things you can do. Yeah, that's all today. And please make a notes. If you want this file also, then I will upload if you need. And more advanced anything you want to know, then please inquire and ask the question which is not clear. I will tell you again. So thank you student. Please subscribe my channel. Not a single subscription are getting these days. Want to save? Yes.